Good afternoon. Oh, what a lovely day. Just finished at the gym, workout, sauna. Now I'm heading over to the coffee shop to get some coffee and some food because I am very, very hungry. We keep going, right? We're feeling good. It is, what day is it? Tuesday. So I had a really good weekend in London.
That's what Jack was saying.
Hello, mate.
Oh, you're filming me?
Yeah.
Excellent.
Right. Have you not ordered a coffee yet?
No, because I've been waiting for you.
All right. Let's go get a coffee.
Cool.
Are you having food?
Maybe a little croissant.
Okay. I'm gonna get some food.
Stunning day.
So nice.
Stunning.
Anyways, I am because I've been so lazy.
Yeah.
I've got a camera and I don't film.
Okay, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you. Could I have eggs my way with scrambled eggs?
Yes, scrambled eggs, absolutely.
Yes, please. And a sparkling water with ice and lemon, please. And I'm sitting outside somewhere.
Awesome scrambled eggs and the sparkling water.
Please, thank you.
You've moved, yeah, no worries. That's great, thank you. We'll bring that.
That took ages. It took ages, no?
What'd you get?
Scrambled eggs and toast. Alrighty, let's get out of here. We are here in the studio. Afternoon, we're here in the studio ready for our first client. Should be here in about 5 minutes or so. So yeah.
Every time we fall apart, you say you need closure. Give me a time, give me a place, I'm on the way.
Right, first 3 clients are done. I'm now gonna get some more food because I'm starving again. So yeah, let's go get some more food. It's a beautiful day and I'm hungry. Probably gonna get an avocado toasty. So let's do it. No, it's fine. Thank you. Take care. Bye. Got myself a tuna melt. That should keep me going until the end of the day. Always do big portions. So yeah. Let's go munch this. Good morning, it's Wednesday the 8th of April. I'm on my way to the gym. I'm gonna head there now. So yeah, it's a beautiful day. It's gonna be really, really warm. It's yeah, let's get on with today.
Every time we fall apart, you say you need closure. Give me a time, give me a place, I'm on the way. I can't give up on your love until it is over. So give me a time, give me a place, I'm on the way. Every time we fall apart, you say you need closure. So give me a time, give me a place.
Alrighty. Oops. Gym is done. Sauna done. Let's go get a coffee. Yeah? Let's do it. Make it happen.
I can't give up on your love until it is over. So give me a time, give me a place, I'm on the way.
Right, we are in the studio, ready for our first client. Should be here in 5 minutes or so, so we'll get ready for that and let's get on with today. I actually got a message on Instagram asking about this tool and how it helps reduce hair loss. So I've been using this tool for about a year now, and I mainly use this tool on the corners of my hair. So there is recession points of the hair. You can call them the temples, the recession points, and the crown. And I do this for 10 minutes a day. And this tool stays by my bedside, so I can just pick it up just before bed and do it before bed. And I have this tool at my workplace, so when I have nothing to do and I'm waiting in between clients, I can pick it up and just tap the areas that need doing. So this helps with the blood flow, activates the cells in the follicles, and helps get rid of dead skin and build up an oil. So it's a great tool. It's the cheapest tool for hair loss, and is what I recommend for any new clients that are coming in that are experiencing hair loss. The second thing I do about my hair loss is I use medication. So I use minoxidil, biotin, and finasteride in pill format, and I take that pill once a day, same time every day. And you can get that through Manual, which is the company I use. It works different for everyone. Everyone will have a different experience on it. I didn't have any side effects, so it didn't affect me, and I've been using it for over a year now. Another thing I use is red light therapy hat. So I've got a red light therapy hat. I just put that on at the end of the day for about 10 minutes, and that's a one-off cost of £150, and you just charge the red lights and you just put it on. So yeah, those three things I use to help my hair stay healthy and grow and not go any further, not have any further losses of shedding or hair. Did I have any shedding? I think I did. The first 3 months I didn't notice anything. And then after the first 3 months, it started getting thicker and thicker and thicker. I shaved my head off again in February before I started the first time treatment. Then I shaved it again in October or November, I think. And now we're in April. So I've shaved my head off twice to see the progress. And yeah, it's been great. I haven't had any more hair loss. There's still a little patch there, which is fine. But the hair around it got thicker and the follicles got stronger, and I'm getting stronger growth. When I'm washing my hair, I'm really gentle. When I'm drying my hair, I'm really gentle. Especially when you come out the shower. Especially when you come out the shower, you want to gently just rub your hair just like this. You don't want to be aggressively drying your hair. And I use a diffuser. So after I come out the shower, I use a diffuser tool, put that on, and I diffuse my hair like this. I never blow dry it aggressively. I just use lightly and then just tap it with my hand, and that helps it keeps it healthy. That's the day done. That's the last client done. It's currently 5:15. So yeah, that's today's done. Back in here tomorrow, 10 o'clock, and I've got a busy day tomorrow. So yeah, come along for then. But for today, take care.